Alright, today we're going to work on a flower series. We'll see how it goes. Going to kind of do in the style of Bobby Burgers, so we'll see if I'm that good.
Alright, so the question of the day is, who was Franz Klein?
Alright, let's run through the colors. Titanium white, Mars black, phthalo green, ultramarine blue, phthalo blue, pearly red, quin red, pearly orange, dilurid yellow, primary yellow, raw umber, yellow ochre. Let's get the party started. So we just kind of laid in this neutral background. We're going to see how it dries. I'm adding some drips so it kind of gives us that really interesting thing at the bottom as it drips through. And I'll cover up these at the top so you don't really see these ugly origin marks. So we'll paper that over the next layer. Alright, we got started on this flower motif, but I'm just not really feeling it. I mean, this is the best probably out of the three, but it probably turned out to something, but I really feel like just doing architectural abstraction, so forget all this for initial style. Now we laid in the black. What we're going to add is this kind of rusty overlay over this colors and kind of wipe out most of the flower overlay. Alright, we just added in this orange layer. What we're going to do is kind of pick up this light blue and bring it back into the picture. Finishing kind of adding these highlights in blue, and now what we're going to do is add some darker blue, some more pure chroma blue to contrast with these lighter versions of blue. Alright, we just added kind of this intense blue to contrast these three blues. And now we're going to bring in kind of a red black, and this is more of a green black, so you're going to see the contrast once we add that. Alright, we just added kind of this chocolatey brown layer. Through here, we're going to bring back this orange layer and kind of play around with that and contrast the other layers. So Franz Klein was one of the leading abstract expressionists from the 1950s. So in the 20s, 30s, he did realism similar to how Jackson Pollock got started, and then he kind of flipped into abstract expressionism. And it was kind of Cooney who gave him the idea to kind of use a projectionist to take really small images and project it up and make a painting out of that. And what his idea was kind of a blend of Japanese calligraphy of the script and done in an abstract expressionist way. So fortunately I was able to see this comparison between Japanese traditional calligraphy and Franz Klein's work at the Asian Art Museum in San Francisco during one of their exhibitions. It was a really good show, and if you ever see that, that's really cool to see the comparison between the calligraphy and Franz Klein. All right, we just finished up. Let's take a closer look here. So I'm really liking this contrast, the blues. They work really well. The orange, there's not much contrast. There's still a little bit of this, I don't remember what kind of flower that was, but that's definitely still coming through quite strongly. I'm going to leave it like that. I kind of was thinking originally to wipe that out completely, but I kind of like this little bit of interplay between realism and abstraction. Usually I do on the abstraction a pure abstract color, but here I'm kind of leaving a little bit of the realism to come through, also to tie into the original theme, the name of the painting. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up below. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And hopefully see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.